Sister Wives, is Janelle Brown suing Cody and Robin? And does Mary Brown still sell Lulero products? Also, did Hunter Brown share too much skin with fans? I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my 2S Gossip channel. Sister Wives fans have been wondering about Janelle Brown since the passing of Garrison Brown. Since the last filming of Sister Wives, there have been a great deal of changes within the family and their plans. After Janelle and Cody Brown decided to go their separate ways, there were concerns about how the wives leaving would financially be able to continue outside of the pooled funds of the Brown family. Now fans have their suspicions that Janelle is suing Cody and Robin Brown for her share. Janelle Brown made sacrifices for the greater good. While Janelle Brown has endured several different living circumstances for the greater good of the family, it hasn't always been reciprocated. During many of the seasons, Janelle worked outside of the home to help provide income for their large multifaceted family. Instead of thinking solely of herself, oftentimes, her choice to place the family first has led to situations like living in an RV or small apartment to contribute to Coyote Pass when others weren't making the same types of sacrifices. Notably, Cody and Robin Brown prioritized living in a large home over the dreams they were so adamantly talking about during the show. But now that she is on her own, has she decided to sue for what she deserves? On Reddit, the Sister Wives community got wind of a clue that Janelle Brown might be suing Cody and Robin Brown. A user posts a photo from a Facebook page that alleges Janelle is suing her prior husband and wife. Notably, Mary, Janelle, and Christine Brown still have ties to Cody and Robin through property and businesses. While Christine found a way to use the equity from her Flagstaff home to move away from Cody, she essentially traded her stock in Coyote Pass for almost nothing to rid herself of the debacle. But Janelle didn't have anything she straight out owned free from anyone else. Each part of Coyote Pass that her name is on is also tied to another family member. Seemingly, the agreements for Coyote Pass are set up to make it difficult for any of them to leave. However, Cody's name is on every single lot. Reportedly, it was paid in full in June of 2023, but they are at a stalemate over the property. Each of the women is in multiple businesses, many of them still tied to other family members. Several of the ladies are running MLM businesses. But there are still holds from Cody with the former wives. Unfortunately, they didn't dissolve the earlier businesses or outright sell and divide the property, leaving them entangled. Likewise, Cody seems confident these women won't take him to court. However, life has drastically changed for all of the Browns, especially Janelle Brown since losing Garrison Brown. Undeniably, her view on life has shifted. Perhaps this is the time she will settle the legal matters once and for all. After the initial Reddit post, Sister Wives viewers give their thoughts on Janelle suing. I could see this being true. Janelle was obviously rightfully pissed about her financial situation. If I were her, I'd sue for every penny, including the child support Cody probably didn't pay for Savannah before she turned 18. Imagine watching your husband live in a mansion with his other wife while you live in a crappy apartment. I will never understand how he and Robin didn't at least pretend to open their home for them to stay. I think Janelle would rather sleep under the stars. Living in the RV and the small apartment wasn't about not having a place to live. It was by choice. She was showing by example what you do if you really want to pay off CP and build, there you prioritize it. You don't buy a mess mansion or waste money renting big houses. Admittedly, many Sister Wives fans would love to see Janelle Brown take Cody and Robin Brown to court. Several discussed how enjoyable it would be to have a Sister Wives court TV, or even call in Judge Judy to serve up some justice to Cody. I hope all of the three sue him. I would watch a whole season of court TV, Sister Wives. Where Judge Judy, when you really need her. All I imagine is Cody saying, "Let the record show I'm a great husband," and Judge Judy screaming, "Baloney." Mary Brown pushed LuLaRoe for years despite getting a lot of backlash from Sister Wives fans, but is she still selling the clothing line products? Plenty of TLC fans think that she made a lot of money off the business. However, they also know that some people struggle after joining a downline. TLC star Mary Brown had a big home for LuLaRoe stock, while Janelle Brown lived in a small home in Flagstaff, and in her RV, Cody's former first wife lived in a big home. That seemed strange, because her only child, Leon, had moved away years before. However, it turned out that she needed a lot of space because she held a lot of stock for LuLaRoe. When Mary Brown spoke with Robyn and Cody Brown about moving, she mentioned relocating her business. Presumably, she meant her LuLaRoe stock. But on social media, TLC fans don't see her constantly advertising the MLM product line. Additionally, she launched several other businesses recently. Perhaps she just doesn't have the time to market LuLaRoe. On Thursday, a TLC fan took to Reddit to ask about the MLM business. In their caption, they wrote, "Is LuLaRoe still going strong? Is Mary still doing this? How in the world are people still buying this ugly stuff? I'm wondering if this is finally slowing down so she finally needs to pivot to another scam." If you don't know, Mary Brown Worthy Up Business is a new motivational platform and many Sister Wives fans were shocked at the prices that she charges for it. The discussion revealed that most likely, Cody X still sells the products, and apparently, she still helps to train people. One of them even shared a screenshot of the business page for it. Here are some of the observations made. Yes, Mary is still selling it. I figure her fans are the ones buying from her. I've assumed that's how she got so big with it in the first place. Christine and Janelle Sick got out and moved on to Plexus. The leggings are $25, most of the shirts are around $40, and there even one style that was over $100. I was never a retailer, but for a while, it was all I wore. I gained a bunch of weight, it was comfy, and I didn't have to go to a store and try tons of stuff on. Lately, Sister Wives star Hunter Brown has been fairly quiet. No one can blame any of the Browns for wanting a low-profile life, especially after the loss of a beloved family member. However, Hunter gave some fans a shock when he emerged, or shall we say, submerged, with surprisingly few clothes on. Undeniably, Sister Wives star Hunter Brown has always shown great qualities with his love and care for his family. While he is a beautifully kind soul, he also loves to laugh and prefers to keep everything somewhat light-hearted for others. Undoubtedly, Hunter Brown's big heart is serving him well in the nursing and healthcare field. In many ways, Hunter keeps his cards close to his chest. Decidedly, he moved away from the spotlight several years ago. First, he attended the United States Air Force Academy for 5 years, majoring in biology. Then, he went to Johns Hopkins University to pursue a master's degree in nursing. But he remains close to his family even from afar. Sadly, he is tortured by the loss of his brother, Garrison Brown. While the entire Brown family is still mourning the loss of Garrison, they are also learning to live despite his absence. In an Instagram stories post, Hunter Brown shows off an incredible amount of skin. Undeniably, not much is left to the imagination, wearing little more than his charming smile and sharing his contagious laughter. Within the post, the person holding the camera approaches a deep freeze and lifts the lid. Upon opening the top, Sister Wives fans can see Hunter's body submerged in an ice bath. Although there is a light covering of ice, there's not much covering the rest of his body. Although the region for Hunter Brown ice bath is unknown, He is characteristically taking the unexpected video in stride. For someone who keeps most of his life off camera these days, it is a drastic change to see him nearly naked as he emerges. But his personality certainly still shines through with a quick clip. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe your channel.